have waited a long time, as has
everybody.
Football fans for this one.
AFC title game last year, the fireworks in that in Arrowhead. We're back at Foxborough now.
We got a hell of an opportunity in front of us, man. When you hit that field, I need everything you got.
Everything.
Play together, play fast, and let's go make plays out there today, baby.
This is our show. We the headlines. It don't matter if they in their house. Find out today. Let's go find out today.
Hey, dog, this the one right here, dog. We gotta have it. Relentless attitude.
Do your job.
We need championship swagger.
Mahomes throwing off the back foot. He wants McCall Hardman. He's got the catch at the 15. Jukes at the 10. 5. Touchdown. Kansas City.
That's how you make plays right there, baby.
You're firing, man. Nobody said it had to look tight. They gotta give me any.
All day.
They're going to throw now in a sand caught. Intercepted. Intercepted for Sean Breland. Tom Brady throws a pick on first down.
Hey, man. Hey, come, bro. Come on.
Let's go!
Third down and goal to go at the 4. Kelsey's under center. Kelsey with the football. He's going to run it into the end zone. Touchdown, Kansas City. And the Chiefs get their second consecutive touchdown on a Kelsey direct snap run.
Down me up!
They're going to give it off to White, trying to press forward, and he gets shoved back. The Chiefs hold him, and they keep a 10-point lead. Third down and goal to go at the 5. The throw, Clark and pressure. He gets sacked at the 10. He gets eaten up. Alex Okafor gets the sack, but Frank Clark was caving in the opposite side. 23-16, Kansas City. Fourth down. Takes the snap, Chiefs spring pressure. Left side throw, and it's broken up in the end zone. Broken up in the end zone. A corner route to Edelman. Knocked down by Rashad Breeland. 5 yards deep in the end zone. The Chiefs hold on downs at the 5-yard line. The Chiefs have beaten New England for the second time in Foxborough in the last 3 seasons. And now, with the Oakland loss today, your Kansas City Chiefs are the AFC West champions again. Back to back to back to back.
Hey, we heat that.
What I found in my back pocket. Holy Toledo! Hey, how about those two?